Hi guys, how ya doing? I'm back. Back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna take you guys straight to Haiti. We are going to be making Fritay. We will be making 5 plantains, Pikliz, Haitian Patties, Akra, hot dogs. I will also be adding the list of the ingredients, the recipe in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. Pour abonner mieux qui parle créole là, m'gen vidéo sa yo en créole. Mettez link yo dans description box là pour nous checker, okay? And if you have any question, you can always leave a comment and I'll make sure to answer them. Okay? Let's get right into the video. This is what we are using today. I'll also list them down in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Okay, so we have cabbage, carrots, lemon, hot pepper, chicken cubes, Haitian blended spices, salt, onions, bell pepper, plantain, hot dog, malanga, flour, vinegar for the pickles, oil to fry them, and we have butter. First thing first, we are going to start with the pickles. I'm gonna use this side for the cabbage. I'm gonna use this side for the carrot. The next step is to cut the bell peppers and the onions. Now this is optional, you don't have to put it in your pickles, but I like to put them in mine. One chicken cube for taste. And the hot peppers for spiciness. Use as many as you can handle. We are going to put the pickles to the side and move on to the next step. To make the dough, I'm using 3 cups of flour, about 3 tablespoons of butter, half tablespoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of oil, water. Time to mix them together to make the dough. I will start with a spoon and then use my hand for the remaining. Okay, it should look like this. Pro tip, do not add the water all together. Just add it as you go. In total, I end up adding 1.5 cup of water. Okay, so for the filling, I added hot dogs, onion, bell pepper, hot pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and paprika, and I'm just going to saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. I will be adding eggs as well. This step is pretty simple. We're just going to roll the dough down and add the filling and then close it. Okay, it's frying time. The plantains, I just cut them in small pieces. Basically, I'm gonna fry them first and then press them down, add them in salt and water, and then fry them again. Hot dogs are pretty easy. Just let them fry until they're golden. So I'll be using this side for the Akra. Once that's done, we are going to add our spices and then mix it. For the Akra, you just shape it with a knife like so, and then add it in the oil. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.